In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these tow mirrors on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Take this cover off. You'll use the trim tool and just pop that off. Take this cover off. I'm just going to use a pick. Pop that off. Take this screw out. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Might need a trim tool. Slide it off. Take the window switch out. I'll just use the trim tool. Pop this up. That comes out. And disconnect the connector. I'm using a T20 socket. I'm going to take these push pins out. Just twist the center part out. I'm using a trim tool. Just pop that out and pop the bottom part out. Do the same on the other ones. Grab the panel, slide up, and slide it out. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide it out. You may have two connectors, and then if there's any push pins, take those off. There's a wire tie here. We'll just cut that. I'll take these nuts out using a 10mm socket. And before you take the last one out, just hold the mirror, slide it out. And it comes right out. And slide the wiring harness through. Line it up. Make sure you have one of the nuts in your hand. Get that started. Once that's on good, you can let go of the mirror and get the other nuts. Get those started. Snug those down. Push this retainer through here. Slide the harness down here. Then you want to plug in the connectors. Black one on top, the white one on the bottom. And just have that harness out of the way. Now take the door panel, slide this wiring harness through the lock rod. Line that up. There you go. Take the bezel. Slide it in position. Take the screw, get that started. This cover's going to go right here. Push it on. And the window switch, slide that in position. And push it down. And push the push pins in. And take this cover, line it up, lock it in place.